Okay, so I focus on Excel in this class, but there are two other options, StatCrunch and TI, that are available to you, and I want to kind of start introducing them. Now, the biggest problem with StatCrunch is it is proprietary to Pearson. You will never have access to it again after this class, so it's not a very useful long-term skill. But if there is something that your TI won't do, or you don't have a TI and there's something Excel won't do, this is your backup. So it's good to know it's there. There might be something you need it for. Now, to get to StatCrunch, you're going to open up My Stats Lab, and you're going to either click on Open My Math Lab, or down here, this Course Home, okay? Course Home or My Labs, which brings up, well, it brings up, I'm going to click on this. It brings up this page. I actually had it open, so then I was looking at it here. It brings up this page. You're going to click on the StatCrunch link right here, okay? Then you're going to click on the StatCrunch website, which will bring up this. And then you're going to click on Open StatCrunch, which will finally bring up StatCrunch. Then you're going to start by putting in the data. So 189, this is just football players' weights, okay? And that was not one of them. So 225, 190, 305, 195, 202, 190, 305. Oh, for Pete's sake. Okay, let's try this again. 189, 254, 235. I don't know why it's not going down. It's like my enter key doesn't like me. Okay, 235. Then this is 225, 190, 305, 195, 202, 190, 252, 305. Okay, I'm going to recheck that since I was having trouble with input here. Obviously, input here is more like Excel versus the TI, and it puts out beautiful, beautiful graphs. I mean, they're very nice looking. It's just obviously the issue is that you won't have access to them after the course, so that makes them kind of hard to, so football weights, okay, football player weights. And you can label them up there just like you can label anything in Excel. So it's one of those things that, it's just, it's more usability long-term as far as a skill. But as I said, if it comes up that you need something, it's here and I want you to be available. Now you can order these. So for instance, I can sort ascending, just like in Excel, I can sort all this data. Now to find the summary stats, I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to summary stats column and I'm going to pick mine. That's the beauty of doing it. Now, I can then statistics, you'll notice right here, this is the base it's going to give me. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add in, okay, so I want to do, let's see here. I'm going to do this again. Okay, so I'm going to start here and I'm going to compute. So this is my base ones. You can see I have my mean and my median. There's my two base ones. It doesn't have mode. To get mode, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go to columns. And then if you come down all the way to the bottom, there's mode. And then it'll give you, okay, it's because I didn't click the list first. There we go. And there's my mode. And so it says multiple modes. So much like Excel, it kind of freaks out. So I can see that I've got 305 and 190 if I was going to do that. So, it is there. Much like Excel, it's not perfect on the multi-modes, but it gives you something to work with. So you can see here, I was looking to see if there was something else you could do, but it doesn't look like it. So if they had one, they give you, otherwise they're just going to tell you, okay, look for more than one. But that gives you an idea of what's available here, the basics of how to use it and do it, mainly in how to get there. So as I said, as it comes up, there's often going to be times when you might need this as a fallback. It's here, it's available.